step into the Kia 2017 Cadenza Premium. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are luxury package, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Harman Kardon audio WAM/FM CD MP3/nav, radio, AVO 3 audio system AM/FM MP3, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.